Hi, I'm Shea with WTI. So if you suffer from dry skin, then you have to try out this incredibly moisturizing body wash by Olay. Now, I was never the type of person who's really picky about the type of body wash I would use, but after giving this a try and seeing how much softer my skin felt, this is now the only one I will get. So the body wash is this really rich formula. It's made with these moisture ribbons that contain shea butter, which is what makes it feel so luxuriously soft. It lathers up beautifully, it smells wonderful. This one is made with honey, so it has a heavenly honey scent. Honestly, when I use this in the shower, my showers feel like a completely different experience. And I also notice that when I step out of the shower, my skin already feels like it's been moisturized. So that's how rich it is. So if your skin is in need of some TLC, or if you just want to make your shower time a little more indulgent, then I would recommend giving this a try. And that's my point of view.